Okay, here is a Corvette style, what they call a TC power steering pump. So here's how we're going to change it out, lower the pressure. Got this from PSC Motorsports. It's a new regulator, pressure regulator valve. So take this, I already loosened it a little bit. Take this big nut. It's spring loaded though, so just be aware of that. Pop this out. Take out the old part. Looks like this. There's the old one. You don't need that anymore. Put this in. This one's rated at 1,000 PSI instead of whatever, 1600 this is rated at. Just plunk it in there in the old spot. Put this back down. Just put a little pressure on it to hold the spring, and then it just threads right back in. Super easy. Now your power steering pump isn't blowing up or blowing the seals out of your steering box because it's 1500 PSI or whatever. A Rover system is designed to never exceed 1,000 PSI. It runs between 900 and 1,000. So you put this in, and now you can put it in your LS swap truck and not blow out all your power steering pump hoses and seals. Super easy. I got it from PSC Motorsports. It's a pressure regulating valve for the TC pump. They sell one for the truck style pump too. Easy, it was about 30 bucks shipped.